Okay, so the first thing I do is I measure about 6 to 8 inches and I make my knot. Then, for the magic circle that they always talk about, I do 3. You can do 2 or 3. 3 chains. Then you put your hook into the first chain and just pull through. Slip stitch, pull through both. Okay, so you got this little circle. Then what you do is you want to go chain 1 and find the middle of the circle and then do a double crochet into the center of the circle. So then you go a double crochet and then you do that 16 times. This will be the 5th one. And you keep going around until you have 16 of these. So right now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just keep going until you have 16.